What's going on, miners? The Veteran Miner here. I want to show you this custom rig build with two A2000 6 gigs on this rig here. Hold on one second, let me show you. This rig was supposed to be built for a different install, but it didn't work out that way. Thank God these P&Y cards, these A2000s, are really small. I'm going to show you. I extended this rig, and I'll show you a picture of the original rig, what it looked like before I extended it. Because the way the cooling is on this rig, right up front here is where the fans go, and then the card goes right here. But I just don't like the way the cooling is, that the cards are faced right here, and then the fan is right there by the card. So I extended it over here, and I made it taller, but I didn't take any consideration on actually the width of the rig, because the rig is not made that way. So you can take a look here. That's an extension right there. Another extension right here. And then in the back of the rig, right here, that's how far I had to extend it up to make it level with the other side. Because I was gonna put two PSUs here, one PSU standing up because it wasn't enough room to put two PSUs flat. So I was gonna stand them up this way, like a normal rig. But that didn't work out too well on my thoughts because, you know, only human. I didn't take in consideration what the width was between the two ends, because this is supposed to be down here because the fans go right here. Anyway, it worked out great. We got a couple of A2000 6 gig cards, so I'm going to show you the install on that, and we're going to make it quick because I want to get this mining. And of course, we have some custom cables by the Veteran Miner. All right. So I just wanted to say on the A2000s, they come with the small bracket here, as you can see. It's a T8, T6. To take the bracket off, you have the two T6s here and then the two T8s in the back there. That's how the bracket comes off, and it comes with the larger brackets to make this work. We're going to use the GPU risers on this build. As you can see, the GPU risers fans, gpurisers.com, 10% off on your entire purchase. The Veteran Miner is a coupon code. So let's get into this install and get it mining. Okay guys, we're up and mining. I've been mining on this rig now for about close to 2 days, a day and 23 hours. And how efficient these cards are, it's just amazing how small this card is, and you're able to get 42 mega hash. It's awesome. I just want to let you guys know what I'm using. I'm using a 64 gig SSD, an X470 Gaming Plus motherboard with an AMD processor, Athlon, 650 watt GQ Gold power supply, Of course, my own PCIe cables. Also, we have the GPU riser fans, like I explained in the beginning of the video, and the risers. It's great. I want to show you all the results right now. So, right now, real time, at the time of this video, we have 42.17 mega hash, 42.18 mega hash. The temps are at like 54, 54, 80 Celsius, 82 Celsius on the VRAM, 66 watts, 69 watts. The fans are at 100%. We have no packet loss at all, so that's awesome. 830 at 830, 843 at 843. So yeah, so it's a day in 23 hours. Efficient. I'm gonna get a fan on this rig because it's just a little warmer than usual, so I can get the temps down. I took the fan off for the video, but the temps, the VRAM temps will go down to like 78 to 76. So it's just a little warmer today. Not a big deal. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.